Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another YouTube video. It's just a quick recipe to basically help you hit your daily macros when it comes to protein. Alright, so eating is a necessity, but it doesn't have to be boring or bland for that matter. As you know, SUPP is all about simplicity, but understands that simplicity when it comes to food is pretty pointless without function and flavor thrown in the mix. Now, combining the three is just as easy done as it is said if you know what you're doing. Hopefully you've landed on this video because you've already seen the light in my past videos and you bought either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home over at the shop on supp-up.com or through Amazon as a paperback. If you haven't, go ahead and check it out, or if you haven't, it's cool. I get it, like the nervous third date, wondering if it's safe to go past second base, you're on the fence. So I've gone ahead and thrown in something in this video to give you a taster. Enjoy. Alright, so taste, ease, function, no bake protein cookies. For these cookies, you're going to be able to make, well, it depends. It depends on how big you want to make them or how small you want to make them, how much you want to easily or simply meet your macros. Prep time is going to be anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Cook time is 0 because they're no bake. So total time for making this batch is 5 to 7 minutes total. Items needed: a bowl and hands. Alright, for the ingredients, you're going to have 190 grams of almond butter or natural peanut butter. The reason I say grams is because at this point, if you've been following my videos in the blog, it's much easier to measure. I've also encouraged a lot of my readers and buyers to get a scale, because that just helps. Alright, so 190 grams almond butter or natural peanut butter, 120 grams of rolled oats, aka oatmeal, 75 grams of coconut flakes, unsweetened, preferably organic, 1 to 1.5 scoops of chocolate whey isolate, 1 to 1.5 scoops of chocolate micelic casein, and just enough water to mix easily, creating a putty-like cookie dough texture. Alright, now for the directions. For step 1, you're basically going to throw all your ingredients, all your dry ingredients that is, into your bowl. Second one, you're going to mix them up evenly. Then take your almond or peanut butter and throw it in there too. Add some water, but don't drown it. Then go ahead and mix everything together with your hands into a nice even batch. Alright. After that, you'll take your hands and you're going to press the dough, I guess you could call it, into a cookie shape. Spread some extra coconut flakes onto a plate and coat your newly formed cookies in said flakes. Don't be greedy. Take some of those flakes and store some for later. Now here's the approximate individual and total nutritional values for the whole batch. So for the almond butter, it will be about 40 grams of protein, 36 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fiber, and 106 grams of good fats. Or for the peanut butter, 40 grams of protein, 42 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fiber, and 97 grams of fats. For the rolled oats, you're looking at 15 grams of protein, 83 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fiber, 9 grams of fat. And by the way, this is all up on the screen. Coconut flakes, 3 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fiber, and 27 grams of fats. Chocolate whey protein isolate, 32 grams of protein, 1 gram of carb, 0 fiber, and 0 fats. And chocolate micelic casein, 32 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, 0 fiber, and 1 gram of fat. For the water, come on, are you serious? Stop kidding yourself. Which means the total nutritional values would be 122 grams of protein, 134 grams of carbs, 39 grams of fiber, and 143 grams of good fats. That's basically it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. I usually like to make these and store them basically over a few days. It really helps for those times in between meals, or basically if you're running a little late on having your next meal. And that is about it. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. Every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork, start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.